Hello friends, I am glad to meet you again. Let's make hamburger buns together. This is an easy homemade recipe. I hope you appreciate this and the buns you enjoy. 40-minute hamburger bun recipe. These homemade hamburger buns are very easy to make. They are delicious. In less than an hour you can taste soft and fluffy hamburger buns with your friends. Prepare a 40-minute hamburger bun recipe for lunch or snack. People usually buy hamburger buns, but lately with the pandemic, we want to cook it at home. So I've prepared this 40-minute hamburger bun recipe and I want to offer you this light and delicious pastry. Best hamburger bun recipe. Of course, there are a lot of good recipes for hamburger buns, but I've done it a few times, and I can tell that it's one of the best hamburger buns I've ever made. How do you make hamburger buns? This recipe for hamburger buns is surprisingly simple. Just mix yeast with warm milk or yogurt, salt and a little sugar. To activate the yeast, leave the mixture for 5 minutes. Then you add the rest of the ingredients and you mix the soft, light dough. Keep adding flour until you get soft dough. Vegetable oil will make the dough elastic, and cornstarch will increase the height of the burger bun. If you like flat buns, don't add starch. A recipe for a hamburger bun you will find in the description below this video. These homemade hamburger buns are incredibly fast, light and delicious. How do you make hamburger buns? This homemade hamburger bun recipe is very simple. The soft dough rests after mixing approximately 30 minutes. But if you have plenty of time, allow the test to still breathe about 30 to 40 minutes. It'll make the muffins taste better. After the dough has rested for 30 to 40 minutes, make a ball out of it and divide into 6 to 8 pieces. If you like big burgers, it's best to make 6 buns. My kids love small buns, so I divided the dough into 8 pieces. I greased each blank for buns with sweet water, because children love it. But usually these buns are greased with egg water. It can be easily prepared. Mix 1 yolk with a tablespoon of water or milk. After shaping, the buns should rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then send the buns to the oven. The oven temperature is 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Baking time is about 20 minutes. Delicious impressions. Friends, see you soon.